Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis update of oil and natural gas. And we'll jump right in there and I'll let you know what I see. So crude oil, just a small down day today. No reversal candlestick or anything like that. Kind of a sell-off everything day today with the release of the consumer price index numbers. Natural gas, again, we're still in this pattern. We'll see which way this thing breaks. This is a rising wedge. A lot of the time, rising wedges do fall to the downside, but sometimes in ultra bull scenarios, it's actually bullish and it'll break to the upside. So we'll see which way this thing goes. Again, I'm not going to make my judgments on which way I'll necessarily go on the short term, but I do think long term we have an energy crisis and that these stocks will do well over time. XOP, yeah, you know me, heading down a little bit today, small down day. Again, just hold on to those shares, baby. SM, another just like XOP, small down day. We've got 3 large up days, 3 smaller down days. Usually what I say is that can be bullish to move on up a little bit. CDEV, it still looks bullish. Big candlestick up, small little pullback. I think it looks bullish. Crew Energy, small down day, still looking okay. CPE getting a little bit more selling pressure. Again, still looks okay. We just are coming up to this resistance area. We've hit that resistance before. Athabasca, small little down day, small opening and closing price basically the same. Looks okay. We've got Recaf selling off a little bit. CPG also selling off, still looks good. Northern Oil and Gas, nothing to worry about there. GTE down 4.15%. Again, we hit our head on some resistance up there. We're just pulling back off that resistance line. Tellurian, it's just meandering sideways. Pedevco getting a little bit larger sell-off back on that resistance support line. So that looks fine. Oasis, bullish piercing type pattern. Looks bullish to me. CRK, small down day today. Still looks good. Sandridge, bullish piercing, looks good to go higher. So that looks good. Remember, this is all statistical probabilities, guys. Moving sideways in Ring Energy, again, above that support resistance line, still looks good. Surge Energy, small down day. Tamarack Valley, small down day. We're still in this kind of momentum move higher, and we're just getting a pullback. Crescent Energy, moving sideways. Vermilion Energy, moving down a little bit. Still looks good. Big up days, small down days. That's usually a precursor to a move higher. Meg Energy looking good, small little down day. And again, guys, on the big picture view on all these patterns, they all look good from a big picture view. We're just pulling back a little bit in the short term. OIH, another one that's right against on a logarithmic, pulling up against, it's breaking out of its downtrend, put it that way. On the dailies, small little down day. Tetra Technologies, pulling back off that resistance line. Little wick at the bottom. Rig pulling back a little bit. Again, still looks good. I don't see any problems here, guys. We're just getting a little bit of selling pressure. Pump, I mean, this could head back down and do a retest again. We'll see if that happens in the short term. EXTN down 6.77%. A little bit more selling pressure in this one. We may pull back and do a retest of this line or so. Valaris, small down day. Still looks fine. MMA Offshore, a little bit of a selling pressure today. Tidewater actually heading up. Bullish piercing, or bullish engulfing. Could go higher. Next year, Oilfield Solutions, just right at resistance, selling off a little bit. Clixy getting a bullish hammer pattern. I think this could potentially go higher at some point. Nice, good hammer pattern out of that guy. Hammer pattern, Champion X back off that support line. That looks good. Cactus Energy off support, looks good. 9 just pulling back a little bit. OII, Oceaneering International. I'm kind of just blowing through these guys. Pulling back a little bit. Noble Energy, pulling back. That's NE. Again, none of these look bad. They're all sitting on top of patterns. A little bit of selling pressure there. CGG, small down day. Petrofac, small down day. McCoy Global, small down day. And Diamond Offshore. We've got larger buying pressure, and we're just pulling back on all of them. We are sitting on top of patterns for basically all of them. Still looks bullish to me. The big trends are all broken to the upside. I just say it's a buying opportunity if we get a further pullback here and we start to see the buyers come in and step in. So all of the problems still exist in this world. We just have a sell-off day to day. Just like yesterday, a little bit of a sell-off across the board. Precious metals were the only ones that caught a bid, basically. And, I still like this sector very much in the short, medium, and long term. If you guys like the analysis, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website, the Platinum membership below. Get yourself Platinum membership. We have a question and answer session that's going to be going on basically now. And if you want to join, you can jump on that Zoom call right now. It's at 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and I'll release this a little bit before it. And that's all I've got. So we'll see you there. This is Finding Value.